Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that ULTILAND token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, ULTILAND is a real-world asset RWA tokenization platform focused on the on-chain issuance, trading, and economic application of artworks, culture IP and antiques and collectible assets. It provides standardized tokenization workflows that convert physical and cultural assets into verifiable and tradable on-chain assets under a transparent proof of reserve model. ULTILAND was founded in 2023. The team consists of members from an institutions, blockchain technology, Web3 product engineering, and traditional finance across Hong Kong and North America and Southern Asia, with expertise in asset tokenization, culture economics, and incentives-based decentralized system design. ULTILAND token total supplies 42.4 million and circulating supplies also 42.4 million. ARTX token. ARTX token is listed on Binance Alpha, MEX, BingX, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.